Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sorry, what?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sorry, all children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am. You, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, we are going to start new topic. I think some children they're joining in maybe in board 4 and they're coming. So that's why we are waiting 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So you had to see the boards. Okay. Next class we have on board 4. So children, we are going to start new topic. What is that? Percentage. Percentages. 12.2 percentages. Percentages. Have you heard this? If you have heard, you can raise your hand. Yes, many of you have heard what is percentage. So children, percent. We can say percentage or percent. So percent means per, per day means what? Who can tell me per day? Okay, Agnay.
Ma'am, one day.
Every day, one day. We cannot say one day. It's for every day. Per, like for every hour. Per hour means every hour. Per means every day. Okay. Cent, C-E-N-T. Cent means it is 100. So what will be per cent? Per
100.
Per 100. Okay, so children, what is the meaning of percentage? You have to first understand what is the meaning. Percent. Percent means, per means every day, cent means 100. So it is out of 100 or every 100. Okay, per 100. So that is percentage. And children, you have heard this percentage in our daily life. We can say, I got 90%. You know that is A1. You got awards or something. No, we will say, if you are getting A1, we will say, I got 90% mark. Yes. So children, if you understand this percentage, it's very important. It is very useful in our daily life. We will say 90%. You should know how much is 90%. So it is 90% means out of 100, I got 90 marks. Okay. 90 by 100. Out of 100, I got 90 marks. And also, children, we can see when you go to shopping malls and all, we can say sale. Have you seen?
Yes.
Sale, discount. Okay, 50% off. Whenever we say 50% off for Onam, like some festivals season, we will go to that shop. Is that? Have you heard like that? 50% off, 70% off. Yes, children? So during this festival season, why they are making?
Yes,
To
ma'am.
make the people attract to the shops, they will make a percentage. In that cases, have you heard percentage? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
50% off means we have to give only half price. Okay, we have to give only half price. So like that. Then we can hear where percentage.
Ma'am, in mark list. Ma'am, in mark list.
That is the same, malls or something. Children, have you heard that interest, bank loans and all? If you say when you take
Yes,
loan
ma'am.
from there, we have to give 4%, 4%, then
Yes, ma'am.
5%. When we take loan, we will see which bank is giving us money for less interest. That is about 4%, 5%. Okay, so children, we will.
Ma'am, water.
Huh?
Ma'am, water. We say percentage in dam.
Okay. So children, you should understand what is percentage. Percentage, simply we can say it is percent. Percent means for every 100, or we can say out of 100 percentage. So in daily life where we can see all these. As I told you, we can see how much marks we are getting in the exams. Is it 50% for pass mark? Means you have to get out of 100 50 marks to pass. 90% means 90 out of 100. And bank and shopping malls festive season and all, we can see. So it is percent means the denominator. Per 100, the denominator will be 100. So I will show you. Okay, fractions with the denominator 100 is expressed as percentage. So denominator 100. We have studied like this denominator. We studied fractions. If I say 20 by 100, so the denominator is 100. So fractions with denominator 100. It is expressed as a percentage. And children, the symbol for percentage, the symbol for this percentage, we can see, we have seen many times, it is like this, percentage. And you can see in the calculators and computer screen, the keyboard and all, this symbol. What is that symbol? Percentage. Okay. Now, Anthony, can you read what is percentage? Can you see from the board and read?
Yes, ma'am. Fraction with denominator 100 is expressed as percentage.
Percentage. And look, children, here, what is the symbol for percentage? It is when you have to write, then one small zero, then slash, then zero. It is symbol, percentage. And the denominator will be 100. If we are writing as a percentage, we will have to percent. Percent. Per means for every, and cent means it is 100. So for every 100, children, we will write as percentage. Okay, sorry here. Okay, fractions with the denominator 100 is expressed as a percentage. So before that, children, percentage. So if I say 76%, I got 76% mark in maths, means I will write 76 instead of this percent, means out of 100. Out of 100, I got 76. So children, to convert a fraction into a percentage, what we will do? We will multiply the fraction by 100%. So if I have 76 by 100, I got 76 by 100. So how to convert this into percentage? What we will do? Multiply with 100%. Multiply with 100%. So 76 by 100. 76 by 100. How can I write? I will do 76 by 100. Multiply with 100%. So I know 100 and 100. So that is 76 by 100. That means I got 76% mark. So 76 by 100 means it is 76%. So the denominator will be 100. Out of 100, I got 76 means I got 76% mark. So to convert a fraction. So if I have 15 by 100. How can I convert into percentage? What we'll do? Multiply with 100%. Multiply with 100%. Okay, that means I have 15%. This 100 and 100 will go. It is 15%. So just to convert the fraction, what we have to do? Just to multiply with 100%. 100%. And to convert a percentage into a fraction, instead of this percent, what we will do? We will make it out of 100. 73% means 73%. It is per means for every 100. For every 100. So what we'll write? 73 out of 100. So instead of this symbol, we will write by it is out of 100. So I got 93%. 93% means how can I express this as a fraction? I will write 93. Instead of this percent, I will write 93 out of 100. 93 by 100. Understood? So 60%. So 60%. Children, how can I write? 60%. Just instead of percent, I will write 60 by 100. The 60 by 100, how we can write as a decimal. That all we have studied in our decimals chapter. So children, percentage, 76%. How can we write as a fraction? Just write 76 out of 100. Only that much. Instead of percent symbol, what we'll write? Divide by 100. Okay, so children, just take some rough book and write down some questions. When we write, you will understand. There is nothing. To write percent, what do you have to do? Divide by 100. %. Children, how can we write? 76 by 100. Now, next, you have to write 25% means what? 35% means write down the answer. I will ask you now. So 76 by 100. So that is the one example I have given you. Instead of this percent, what you have to do? Divide by 100. So Madhav, can you tell me, Madhav? 25%, how can I write?
25 by 100.
Yes, 25 by 100. Very easy. Yes, instead of this symbol of percent, we have to just divide by 100. 25% means 25 out of 100. Okay. Fia, can you say the next answer? 35%.
Yes, ma'am. 35 by 100.
35 by 100.
100.
Very simple. Yes. Instead of this percent symbol, we had to write it is out of 100 because it is percent. Percent means for every 100, out of 100. That is the meaning. Out of 100, out of. So again, we will write 10%. How we will write, Ammu?
Ma'am, 10 by 100.
Yes, very good. 10 by 100. So children, you know how to write this percentage as a fraction. Yes, instead of this percent, you will write the fraction with the denominator 100. Okay, now children, instead of this, I will give you 34 by 100. It is given by the denominator 100. So how much percentage? What we have to do? Multiply with 100%. So that means, what's the answer? We have to write only this numerator, 34%, because we will divide this, we will cut, so we have only 34%. So children, write down this question. $15 by 100. What do you have to do? Multiply and write 100%. That means 15%. Children, you have to remember whether the denominator is 100. Denominator is 100. So write down here 72 by 100. Make into percent. What do you have to do? Write 72 by 100. Then multiply with 100%. What's the answer? We will write only the number 72%. Now 18 by 100. 36 by 100. Find out the answer. Yes, Agni?
Yes,
18
ma'am.
by 100. How much percent? 18 by 100 means
18%.
18 by 100. Then multiply with 100%.
100%.
So the answer is 18%. 18%. Here. The next one, Isha. 36 by 100. How can we convert into percentage?
We have to multiply it by 100.
100%. 100%. So what's the answer?
36%.
36%. So children, if the denominator is not 100, you have to make it 100 or multiply with here. If the denominator is 10, what you have to do again? We can
100.
multiply with 100%. So when you do, what's the answer you will get? Or you have to do multiply here 10, then you will get, you have to make denominator 100. Then only we will write the percentage. Okay. So children, 76 by 100. We learned this how to write in decimal form. Adinath, can you tell me this in the decimal form?
Ma'am, 0.76.
Very good. 0.76. Okay, this all we have learned already in the last chapters. Here we have 2 zeros in the denominator. So after the decimal point, how many digits should be there? 2. Okay. So here 59 by 100. Find out the answer. 67 by 100. Write as a decimal number. Write as a decimal number. Yes, Chinmay, can you say the answer? Decimal number.
Ma'am,
59 by 100. How you can write?
0.59.
0.59. Okay, what will be the next one? 0.67.
67.
So children, if the decimal is given, also we can write as a fraction. How we will write? 76. After the decimal point, how many digits? 2 digits. That much zeros. That also we learned. Okay. So according to the decimal place, that is 2 decimal place after the decimal point, we have 2 zeros in the denominator. This also we learned how to convert decimal to fraction. So children, write here 0.5. 0.10.
Ma'am, we should write it in fraction.
Fraction. Only fraction. 76 by 100. Okay, John, can you say the answer? 0.5. How we can write?
Ma'am, 5 by 100.
After the decimal point, how many decimal places? Yes, children?
Ma'am, 5 by 10.
5 by 10. Why it is 10? Because
1 decimal place.
after the decimal point, we have how many decimal place? After the decimal point, we have only 1. Look here. That's why we are writing only 1 0 in the denominator. Children, I think this we have learned in class chapter decimals and fractions. Yes? Okay. So here there is no change. 10 by 100. Look at here. After the decimal point, we have 2 decimal. So in the question also, we should have how many decimal? 2 decimal. So children, we learned today what is a percentage. Percentage, the word means percent, that means per 100. Then we know the symbol. What we will write? Percentage symbol. So how we will write fraction into a percentage? We will multiply by 100%. And if it is given percentages, 90% means how we will write 90 by 100. 20%, what we will write 20 by 100. Okay, so children, please take out your workbook, page number 85. Page number 85. Devak, read question number 1. Devak. Question number 1. Page number 85. Question number 1. Chapter 12. 2%.
0.75 expressed as a fraction is A.
How? 75 by 100. 0.75. Those who were not there in the decimal conversion of decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal. Listen carefully. After the decimal point, how many decimal places? We have 2. So in the denominator also, how many zeros should be there? 2 zeros. So 75 by 100. So what's the answer? Option?
A.
A. Very good. Okay. Option A. Okay, children. Question number. Those who are not there in the last decimal classes also I am explaining here. 0.75. How we can write as a fraction. So we have 75 by. After the decimal, 1, 2 places. So that much zeros in the. Okay, Tanya, I am explaining for you also. You are not there in that class. So here, divide by 100. So here after the decimal, we have 2 place. So in the denominator, we should have 2 zeros. So this is question number 1. The answer is option A. Page number 85. Page number 85. Okay, Anandesh, question number 2. Anandesh.
Yes, ma'am. The fraction equivalent to 0.55 is
0.55. Which is the fraction equivalent to
0. Ma'am, 55. 55 by 100.
100. Here 2. Therefore, we should have 2 in the denominator also. These all we learned from chapter 10, I think. So this is very easy. So what's the option?
B.
B. Okay. Option B. Now question number 3, Gautam.
0.62 is equal to
0.62. Children, these are all same questions. Yes?
62 by 100.
62 by 100. Okay, here 2 and here also we have 2. So which is option?
Option A.
Option A. Okay. Alim, do you have the book with you? Page number 85 we are doing. Christo, can you read the next question, Christo?
The percentage equivalent to of 35 by 100 is
35 by 100. How we will write as a percentage? Multiply with 100%. Okay. So what's the answer?
35%.
Very good. 35%. 35%. 35 by 100 means it is 35%. So option. Question number 4. Option. 35%. What's the option? Option B. Okay, so how we will write here 35? If it is out of 100, what is percent? Percent means the denominator will be per 100. So that is 35%. 35%. Richard, can you say read the next one? Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am. Fraction equivalent to 92%.
92% means
92 by 100.
92 by 100. percent, per 100. So what do you have to do? 92%. What do you have to do? It is 92% means what? Instead of this percent, you have to write 92 per 100. 92 by 100. Instead of this percentage symbol, you have to write a per 100 means divide by 100. So what's the option? 92 by 100?
C.
Option C. Yes, option C. Okay, Rohit, next one.
Question number 6.
6, yes, question number 6. Getting the page now? Did you get the page?
85. Page number 85.
20 by 100.
Read the question. Question number 6.
Fraction equivalent to 20%.
20. 20%. Which is the fraction?
20 by 100.
20. Yes, children, you will write 20. Instead of this percent, you have to write per 100. Okay. So what's the option?
D. Ma'am, D.
Option D. Option D. Okay. Next one. Now who is there here? Yes, Anthony. Next one you have to think little more. So don't do in a hurry. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. The fraction equivalent to 5.4 percentage is
5.4%.
ma'am
5.4
4 by 100.
So instead of
Ma'am, by
1 minute. Instead of this person, what we had to write?
100.
Divide by 100. Divide by 100. So here, don't write here now. We have to make this 54 a whole number. So here, look at here how we can multiply with which number to make it 54, which studied. When we multiply, this decimal point will be shifted to the right side. Okay. So multiplied by
9.
huh? Yes. Multiplied by how? I'm asking how 5.4 we will get 54. Multiply by which number? When we multiply by, look at the number of places and number of zeros in the multiplier. Yes.
Ma'am, by 10.
10. Yes. So if you are multiply with the 10, here also you have to multiply with the 10. So this 5.4, when you multiply by 10, that means here we have 1 0. So this decimal point will be shifted to the right side by 1 digit. So you will get here 54 by, which is the number here? 100 into, so it will be 1000. 100 into 10. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3.
1000.
So the answer is what?
54
by 100. It's not 100. It's 100 into 10. It will be 1000. So children, again, if you have any doubt here, what you have to do? You have to write the fraction equivalent to 5.4%. So instead of this percent, I will write here it as out of 100. Per 100. So to avoid this decimal, what will I do? I will multiply this number. I want to shift this place to the right side. So it is only 1 decimal place. So I will multiply with the 10. So whatever I'm doing with the numerator, the same I have to do with the denominator. So this 5.4, when you multiply with this, will go like 54. So here, 1, 2, 3. So we should have 3 zeros in the denominator. So the answer is 54 by
1000.
1000. 54 by 1000. Okay, next one. Dia, can you read next one? Dia?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Question number 8.
25%. If 25% is converted into a fraction,
Okay,
the result
25%. How we can write this 25% instead of this percentage symbol? What do you have to do? Percent.
25 by 100.
Yes, very good. This instead of this percent, that is out of 100. So how we can write 25 by 100? 25 by 100. 25 by 100. Okay. Next one. Yes, Agne. Question number 9.
To convert 50.1% in percentage into a fraction, we divide 50.1 by
501 by. Okay. So children, instead of 50.1, instead of this percent, what we will write? Divide by 100. Okay. Now this, how we can make this 501? Multiply with 10. This decimal point we should move to the right side. How you can move the decimal point to the right side? By multiply with 10. So that much you have to do here. So look at the question. To convert 50.1% into a fraction, we divide 501
by 1000.
by 1000. Look here. This 5.1, when we multiply it with 10, you will get 501 by 1000. So what's the answer?
501 by 1000.
1000. So question number 9, we should write it is 1000. Okay, next one, Brightlin. Can you read, Brightlin? Question number 10.
Convert 22 by 100 into percentage.
Convert. Okay, convert. Question number 10.
22 by
22 by 100 into percentage. So 22
Percentage.
by 100, we have to convert into percentage.
percentage.
So what do you have to do? To convert into percentage. To convert a
Multiply
fraction
by
into a
100.
percentage. Multiply by 100%. So what is that answer? 22%.
22%.
So 22% means it is 22 by 100. Yes? 22 by 100.
100.
So here convert 22 by 100 into percentage. So the answer is 22%. 22%. So to convert a fraction into a percentage, what we will do? Multiply the fraction by 100%. Question number 11. Anandesh.
Yes, ma'am. Express 12% as a fraction.
As a fraction.
Fraction.
The question is 12%. We have to convert this into a fraction. Percent. What we have to do?
We should convert ma'am,
Instead of percent, what we have to write? That symbol.
by 100.
By 100. Yes, only this much. Instead of this percent symbol, percent means it is per 100. So what do you have to do? Divide by 100. 12 by 100. 12 percentage. How we can write as a fraction? 12 by 100. 12 by 100. Okay, next one, question number 12. Adinath, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. What is the percentage of 24 by 50?
24. 24 by 50. So instead of
50.
percentage, what we have to write? 100 percentage. 100%. 100%. Okay. Now you can
Ma'am, 48 by 100.
48%.
Yes. So children, 50 you can cut like this. 50 and 100. 50,
15 into 2 is
50
100.
and 100. So 50 how many times in 100?
2.
2 times. So 24 multiplied with 2, you will get 48. 48%.
Percentage.
So to convert a fraction into a percentage, we just need to multiply with 100%. And if a percentage is given, how you can convert into fraction? Just divide by 100. 48%. Only question till question number 12 we will do now. So listen carefully. We learned today. Yes, Richard, what is it? Yes, you want to share the screen again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, what we learned today? Percentage. What is you mean by percentage? It is by, we will express the fraction as the denominator 100. So percent means it is per 100. It is out of 100. So the denominator will be 100. So to convert a fraction to a percentage, what we will do? Multiply with 100%. Multiply with 100%. To convert a percentage into fraction, what you will do? Divide by 100. So, yeah, okay. So convert a fraction into percentage. Fraction into percentage. What do you have to do? Multiply with 100%. For example, 20 by 100. What do you have to do? Just multiply with 100%. What is that? 20%. Okay. Then we learned convert percentage into fraction. Percentage. So for example, same 20%. For example, same number we are taking. 20%. How we can convert this into a fraction? Just write out of 100. That means it is divided by 100. Okay. So children, next class we will do that question from 12.1. What is that? Division with decimal by decimal number. So we have only one more question to complete. So we'll join in 12:55. In which board? Board number? 4. Okay,
Board 4.
Okay, children, bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.